Hi, my name is Miguel from AvoidErrors.com. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a Windows 11 bootable USB flash drive to either clean install or upgrade to Windows 11. First, plug the USB to the PC, make sure it's properly detected, and you memorize the drive letter, in this case E. The USB flash drive must be 8 GB or larger. Then head over to the Microsoft official website. The link is in the description box below. Here, under Create Windows 11 Installation Media, click on the Download Now button. This will download the media creation tool. You can execute it from here or from your Downloads folder. Allow this app to make changes. Accept the license terms. Okay, now here, if you notice, user recommended options for this PC is checked. So that means I cannot change the language or edition. If we're going to use this installation media for a different PC, then you can uncheck user recommended options for this PC, and then you can change the language and in some cases the edition. I'll use the recommended options because I'm going to use it for this PC. Which media are we going to create? We're going to create a USB flash drive. So select it if it's not already selected. Select the USB flash drive, in this case drive letter E. And now, depending on your system, the process can take a little bit. You'll start creating the Windows 11 media. And done. Your USB flash drive is ready. Now the process to install and or upgrade Windows 11 is extremely simple. I'll show you what I mean. So now if I go to this PC here, my Windows 11 bootable USB should be ready, as you can see. I'll start the installation process on another PC so you can see how simple is the installation process. And then do the same. Go to this PC, access the Windows 11 bootable USB, and here all we need to do is just run the setup. It's that easy. We don't have to change the boot sequence, nothing like it used to be. Once you run the setup, it'll start preparing for the Windows 11 installation. Here, click on Next. The updates are optional because once installed, you can update. Accept the license terms. Getting a few things ready. Like I said, updates are optional. Okay, ready to install. Now here, do not click on install immediately. The process is extremely simple. If you want to keep your files, then go to change what to keep. Here, you can keep your personal files and apps. Keep your personal files only, no apps, or keep nothing. That's it. So if you select nothing, that means your computer will be completely wiped out and it'll do a clean install of Windows 11. If you keep your personal files or files and app, what it probably end up doing is upgrading you to Windows 11. It's that simple. Once you decide what you want, then click on Next and install. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Miguel. If you have any questions, feel free to post them in the comment section below. Thank you.